Hello everyone, today I'll show you how we can use a new AI tool made by Google. So the name of this tool is Flow, and using Flow you can create amazing videos that looks like it is made for a movie or for filmmaking. So I'll show you how it works. But before that, let's explore this site. So Flow is an AI filmmaking tool built with and for creatives. So you can create like video which looks like it is for a movie or a film, and yeah, seamlessly create cinematic clips, scenes and stories using Google's most capable generative AI models. As you can see over here, there are some videos made by other people, other creators using Flow. It actually looks pretty nice. It also states that your subject, your images also stay consistent if you add it as an ingredient and save it. It is seamless to use and it's cinematic. So as you can see over here, there is a pricing. You can use this for free with the Google AI Pro version, which is for everyone. You get all these features in it and also this following features, or you can upgrade it if you like using it later on. So yeah, let's check out how this works. Click on create with Flow. Please remember you have to log in first before using Flow. So I've already logged in using my Gmail account, and when you first log in you get 180 AI credits for free. Click on new project, and here as you can see there are a lot of features. There is text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. So first we will test out how text to video works. We will select the aspect ratio to be a landscape one, which is 16 into 9. That means the resolution will be 1920 x 1080p, which is full HD, and one output per prompt. So what this means is if you write a prompt, you can select how many outputs there will be on that same prompt. If you select two, then the two videos will be created on the same prompt. So for right now, I'll just select the first one to be one, and then you can also select which model you want to use. So there are four models, but two of them are free to use and the rest are based on subscription. So let's select the first one and see how it works. And now I'll write a prompt for the first video. So here's the prompt. A sleek chrome robot performs an acrobatic parkour flip across a rain-slicked neon street in a futuristic city. It must be cinematic, low-angle shot, 4K, deep shadows, and hyper-detailed reflections. Blade Runner kind of aesthetic. Let's check out how the video looks. Wow, it's really a amazing video. Can you look out how it changes the position once it's landed and it is up again? Wow, this really looks like a high definition video. Wow, this is pretty good. So this was created in within few minutes, which sounds pretty amazing. You can also look at the background, which looks pretty good. So let's check out another one using text to video itself. So here is the video prompt for the next video. Create a whimsical stop motion animation of a tiny wooden ship sailing across a turbulent ocean made of crumpled blue paper. Warm studio lighting, shallow depth of field, gentle rocking motion. And now for this, as the first video was created using Veo 3.1 fast model, let's try using the second one, which is Veo 3.1 quality model. Then let's run the prompt. So let's check out the video. Wow, the quality already looks impressive. Let's use the full screen mode and wow, this is pretty amazing. It created the floor with the crumbled blue paper and the boat is sailing through. It literally created what was asked to create using the prompt. So it's literally very in detailed and in correspond to the prompt. Wow, wow, this is amazing. So, as we have tested the first one, which is text to video, let's check out how frames to video work. I only have 60 credits remaining, so due to which I can't use the frames to video one. So what we will do is we will create this flow full video in 3 parts. So today will be the first part, which I've already completed, which is text to video. Then tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll create a second part being frames to video, and then last one being ingredients to video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know there are a lot of advanced features while using this AI tool called as Flow, but it's quite good. As you can see, the videos which are given by Flow, by the AI model, are really good. You can literally use this in your YouTube video or a short film if you are creating one. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my video to be notified about the next video which I'll be making. Thanks.